Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and oh my gosh guys, my Jeffree Star mystery box has come in, and oh my god, I'm so excited. So like, I came home from work and I wasn't wearing any makeup, and I was just like gonna do a body paint tonight because I didn't think this was coming because I hadn't gotten any shipping notifications about when I was getting this, and then I saw it with the mail and I just died. I died. So I rushed and put on a quick face of makeup so I could film this video because I need to open it. So I've been waiting for like 2 hours since I got home to open this baby. So let's get in and see what I got. So I ended up getting the $80 mystery box because I knew I wanted more than the first one. I forget how much the first one was. I think it was like 50. But I knew I do not have the coins for the ultimate one, so I think this is the premium one. But I got the $80 one. It is this. It is such a pretty like pink mystery box. I am so excited to get in on this because like it's a mystery. I love it. I never have done like a mystery unboxing except like I have done like the food like box for Japan food, but like that's different because it's gonna be food and you know you don't know. But like this could be any makeup, it could be anything, any shirt. So I am so excited. I knew this would be okay mystery box to get because like it's Jeffree Star. I know I'm gonna love any of his cosmetics, and like look how cute my sisters are an ice cream cone to keep in theme with Jeffree because you know how much he loves his sweets. So I'm just gonna open this up. Oh my god, I cannot believe it's here. I have been waiting and waiting. I wonder if other people, like, cause I literally didn't get any shipping notifications. So like, this was a big surprise. So not like, it was just a mystery altogether. It's a mystery what's in the box. It's a mystery when it's coming. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, let's, final cut. Ooh, oh my god, okay. You guys ready? Are you guys ready? Oh, we see colors. I see orange. So that's like a hollow. Oh my god, okay. So let's open this up, and oh my gosh, okay, so I have like 5 lipsticks. Oh my god. Okay, so here we are. We have okay, 2 highlighters. We have 4 velour liquid lipsticks, and then we have 2 of the cream lipsticks. I can't think of the name right now. There's a pop socket, which is cool because I don't have one, and there's 2 skin frost. Okay, and I have a blue shirt. So we'll do the shirt first. Looks like I have a blue tie-dye shirt. Oh, this is soft. This is a soft shirt. Ooh, okay, and you open it up. So it's just a blue tie-dye shirt, and then it has the Jeffree Star logo and like silver right there, so that's super cute. This is super soft. I can wear this. This will be in my aesthetic. Okay, good. I was kind of worried about what shirt I would get because like, you know, it could just be anything. Alright, so the highlighters I got Regina George. So oh my gosh, this is the pink one. Oh, this is perfect because this goes with the thank you next video that just came out. So I am perfectly okay with this. I did want this. I know it's not really going to be a highlighter on me. It's going to be like an eyeshadow, but I mean look at it. Oh my god. Okay, so oh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. Let's swatch this. Oh my god, it's just like so pink. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Let me swatch it a little bit better. I will say it's a little bit harder than his other like highlighters I have, but that's super pretty and I am okay with this. Oh my god. Okay, so I got Regina George. So that's one thing. I got one highlighter, and the other highlighter is Dark Horse. Oh, this one's another one that's not really going to be a highlighter on me because, well, I'm very pale, and I'm pretty sure this is pretty dark. I mean, with the name Dark Horse, but we'll see. We'll open this up and see. It's like a gold. Yeah, this is, that cannot be a highlighter for me. But it's really pretty, and it can be really pretty on the eyes. I'm not mad. Okay. I was kind of really hoping I would get mint condition because I really wanted that one, and I saw a few people got it in theirs, but it's okay. Like, I can deal with the Dark Horse and that. So let's get into lipstick. So I got a few from the family collection. So this one is Delicious, and oh, I love this packaging. I'm so happy. Like, I have Diamond from this, but oh, I'm so excited because I just love the pastel pink of the packaging. So we'll just swatch this right here. Oh, that is pretty. That is oh, I like that color. That is really pretty. Ooh, it's like a taupey purpley color. That is, oh, I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay. And then we got this one. Ooh, I actually already have this one, but mine is like super old because it's from like the first launch in the yellow packaging, but I love this shade, so I'm really excited to have it again. Like mine probably should be gone by now because it's literally almost gone, so I'm so excited. This is Watermelon Soda, and it's just a really great bright pink shade. Ooh, I love Watermelon Soda. Okay, so I'm happy to have another one of those because I was almost out of that, so that's good. We have another from the family collection, and this one is called Baby Daddy. So let's see what it looks like inside. If I can get the box open. Okay. Again, it's got this super cute packaging, and this is like a nude, which I don't have a lot of nudes, so I'm really excited to add more to my collection. Because I just never buy nudes. I always buy crazy colors, and I need nudes. Oh, that's a really nice nude. Oh, I like that. That is, ooh, okay. You know what? I'm about this. I am about this. And then I got one from here. It's a metallic one. And this one is from the Thirsty collection, right? Was that with the orange? Yeah. This summer, and it's like a metallic brown. I got a lot of browns. That's crazy. I guess he's trying to tell me that I need to start doing neutrals more. But that was like here. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay, yeah, I am super happy with the liquid lipsticks I got. Okay, so, all right, let's check the lip ammunitions out. So this one is Allegedly, and this is from the chrome packaging, I think. So we'll get that out. And this looks like it's gonna be a nude if I can get the bullet out. Oh my God. It's like stuck in there. It's stuck. It's stuck. Okay, hold on. Here we go. Oh my God, that is pretty. Oh, that's from last year's Christmas packaging, right? Oh, ooh, this is a pretty color. This is really pretty. We'll swatch it right here. I like that. Oh my God, that's like a terracotta nude. Ooh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Oh, this is gonna look so cute on my vanity. Like, oh my God, I'm obsessed. Okay, and the other one I got is Jeffree's Girl. So it's another lip ammunition, and it looks like it's gonna be like a bright pink, but oh my God. Oh, this is like my shade of pink. It's almost kind of like the one I'm wearing. This one's the Sugar Pill Little Twin Stars collection, but oh, look at that pink. Look at that pink. That used to be like my signature pink I used to wear all the time. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, yeah, I am actually pretty happy with everything I got. So I got in total, let's see, we got 4 liquid lipsticks, 2 cream lipsticks, 2 highlighters, and a shirt. So I like the shirt. I will say, like, it's not my usual style, but like it's super cute and it'll be comfy, and it'll be like a really nice lounging shirt. So that's good. I know his shirts are like $30, right, or something. And then I got the 2 highlighters. So I got Regina George and Dark Horse. I mean, sadly, these aren't really highlighters I can wear as actual highlighters, but I'm excited to use them, or maybe just, you know, trade and see if someone wants Dark Horse that's at a darker skin tone, that maybe has one that's lighter. But Regina George, I'm definitely gonna wear a lot. Like, I'm gonna probably use this as a blush. Like, oh my God, this pink. I am super excited, and like it just gives me Ariana Grande vibes because of Thank You Next. Like, I love Mean Girls, I love Ariana Grande, I love pink. Like, perfect. My lipstick favorites, I'm probably gonna say the Baby Daddy and Delicious are like my favorite of the liquid lipsticks that I got. I mean, I love Watermelon Soda, but I have it already, but like I'm gonna keep it because I know I use this shade a lot. But oh my God, Jeffree's Girl is such a pretty freaking pink. Like, I can't even, like, you know, it's like, oh my God, I'm just actually like, I'm really happy. I did get a little nervous because, like, you know, you don't know what you're gonna get, and like, what if I got stuff I already had, or like just stuff I wasn't gonna wear. Like, I think the only thing in the whole lot that I'm probably not gonna use a lot is Dark Horse, just because, like, one, like, I really wouldn't use this eyeshadow because I don't wear like goldy neutrally looks, and it's too dark as a highlighter. So that would be like my only thing I'm a little like okay about. But everything else I love. Like, I am so happy. I am actually not upset about this. So this was pretty cool. I think I got a pretty good mystery box. Tell me down below what you guys think, and you know, maybe if you guys also got it and there's anything you want to trade or this, you know, prefer to have, let me know. Maybe we could work something. I don't know. I just am really happy with this. I'm really excited I got Regina George. I know I've said that like 10 times, but yeah, this was super cool and it was just really fun, and I'm not upset about the money I spent. And can you hear my cat, Pepper? Can you stop? he just gave me the death stare. He's like, no, I'm going to be loud and noisy and scratch myself. But yeah, I am really excited. I'm really happy I got a lot of the family collection because like I love that pastel packaging, and I'm excited I got like last year's holiday collection because that was really pretty too. And I know I want to kind of like search around on Poshmark because I just wasn't able to get it last year. I was not in the financial state to afford that, but I just like want this packaging on my vanity because it's so pretty. Like, oh my god. Okay, so this was good. I'm just really happy. So thank you guys so much for watching this. If you enjoyed my unboxing, please let me know down below, and just let me know what your favorite thing I got was, or if you got it, what you got. Like, I want to know what everyone got in their mystery boxes. Like, I've been creeping on people. Still sad I didn't get mint condition. Was really hoping for that, but maybe one day I'll just go buy it. But yeah, like, this was pretty dope, and I'm pretty happy with everything I got. So thank you guys again so much. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, because that would just be really, really rad of you guys. And like, thank you guys so much. I am so close to 1,000, like, it's super crazy, and I just want to thank you guys again for all the support. And I'm gonna hopefully do a Black Friday haul soon. I'm just waiting for 2 more packages to come in. I hope it's not too late for a Black Friday haul, but I did all my shopping online, so you had to wait for it to come in. But yeah, thank you guys again so much. I hope you stay lovely. Bye! Okay, so I'm back real quick because I just want to test Dark Horse. Let's see if it's too dark. Like, I'm just assuming it is, but maybe, like, you know, with a brush it might not be. Could just be, you know. Okay, there's my actual hair. It's really bronzy. It's cute. Okay. Yeah, no, you can just maybe. I like it. Okay, like, I don't want to get rid of it, but I'm also like nervous I'll never wear it. Okay, but yeah, okay, this is just a quick like, let's check and see. Is it pretty? What do you think? Is it a no? I'm also putting it over on top of a lighter one, but yeah, no, I just kind of, okay, I just wanted to test it real quick. All right, bye.